Good morning, students. Today we will study next point from this chapter polymer chemistry is biodegradable polymers. So generally what is biodegradable polymer means? These polymers they can be decomposed naturally. They are called as a biodegradable polymers. But the synthetic polymers are also discovered they can be biodegradable, and these examples we will study today in this lecture. So large number of useful applications of the polymers, they are blamed for creating environmental pollution. Means we know polymers are the important materials in our life. They have many applications, but the drawback is that they cannot be decomposed naturally and causes the environmental pollution. So to strike the golden mean, the certain new biodegradable synthetic polymers have been developed, and these polymers we will study today. Which are these synthetic polymers? They are biodegradable. These are aliphatic polyesters. Aliphatic means open chain and polyester means ester linkage containing polymer. Similarly, polyamides are also there containing C double bond ONH linkages with polymer. So large proportion of these polar linkages are one of the important class of the biodegradable polymers. Some examples we will study in this lecture, and these are PHBV and nylon to nylon 6. The disposed natural waste are usually attacked by soil microbes and get degraded to humus. But the most synthetic polymers and plastic that cannot be degraded by microbes and which stay in the environment for a very long period of time and which causes the pollution. To overcome this problem, biodegradable polymers are being developed, and these polymers contain the functional group which are similar to biopolymers like proteins. The aliphatic polyesters are also an important class of biodegradable polymers. So today we will study like this synthetic biodegradable polymer. It is a PHBV. What is long form of PHBV? It is a beta hydroxy poly beta hydroxy butyrate co beta hydroxy valerate. That is the PHBV. It is prepared from two different monomers and therefore it is called as a copolymer, having two bifunctional compounds, that is a beta hydroxy carboxylic acids. The names of these beta hydroxy carboxylic acids are beta hydroxy butyric acid and beta hydroxy valeric acid. The IUPAC names of these acids are, it is a 3-hydroxybutanoic acid and 3-hydroxypentanoic acid. So hydroxyl group of one monomer forms the ester linkage by reacting with carboxyl group of the other monomer. So in this way, ester linkage is formed, and PHBV is aliphatic polyester with name polybeta hydroxybutyrate co beta hydroxy valerate. So PHBV is degraded by microbes in the environment. Now how PHBV is prepared? So if you take the N molecules of beta hydroxybutyric acid, we know butyric acid is a 4 carbon containing carboxylic acid, and beta carbon have hydroxy group, that is called as a beta hydroxybutyric acid, having structural formula CH3, CH, OH, CH2, COOH. Similarly, beta hydroxy valeric acid is 5 carbon containing carboxylic acid with hydroxyl group is present at beta position or beta carbon, and the structural formula is CH3, CH2, CH, CH2, COH, and beta carbon have one hydroxyl group. Now how this PHBV is formed? By reacting hydrogen atom from the OH group of one carboxylic acid with OH group of the carboxyl, OH group from the carboxyl group of other carboxylic acid. By eliminating n molecules of water, we get O, CH, CH3, CH2, C double bond O, O, CH, CH2, CH3, and CH2, C double bond O. So this is structural formula of PHBV. The second example of biodegradable polymer which is synthetically prepared is nylon to nylon 6. So nylon to nylon 6 is example of polyamide type of copolymer. We had studied PHBV is polyester. Now nylon to nylon 6 is polyamide type of polymer. Here the two amino acids, two monomers required for the preparation of nylon to nylon 6 are, one is a glycine and other is epsilon amino caproic acid, and the polymer prepared from this starting material is a nylon to nylon 6 and it is a biodegradable polymer. So we had studied two examples of biodegradable polymers. It is a PHBV and nylon to nylon 6. Thank you.